Hey guys, what's up? My name is Thaliz. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new video for you guys featuring Pretty Little Thing. So I just received my... Here we go. So I just received it in the mailbox. So if you are new to my channel, do not hesitate to subscribe right now and to become part of my Thaliz fab, and also to follow me on my Instagram. So I do videos here on YouTube each Sundays, and also post a blog post on my blog at thaliz.com, of course, each Wednesdays. So if you want to keep in touch, do not hesitate to follow me all over these media. I will be very happy.
Wake up, flex, down, and check.
No, this is a Pretty Little Thing haul. So I will try to pop up actually like the prices as we go out, and also I'm gonna of course do the best try out of these. So I have seen some reviews on internet, and sometimes the sizes is off, and also are in between losing weight each week, so pray for me. Yeah, so this is a first dress. So it is the Stash Cakey Cold Neck Bottom Maxi Dress. I have it in a size 10, and I'm trying to figure out how to wear it. I did like this one. It does have these details here, like sexy details. So let's see what this is gonna get. So I have it on, and damn it, I like it. Like, so this is like in front. Like, I love every dresses that have this. Like, I think I have like about like 2 or 3 dresses with this, so do not judge me. And this is the back. So yeah, what do you guys think? I am in love with this. Like, I'm very satisfied because like you can see that I lost weight, so I'm very satisfied. But yeah, oh my god, like it is so cute. So yeah, on my weight loss journey. Then we have a set. So each time that I do travel, I like to have like be simple and have sets, but I never like find some that I did like. So I heard like some guys, they really like the Pretty Little Things one. So I have this in size 10. So it's like a gray crop top with the pants. So yeah, both in size 10. So it is a set. So I really hope that it will go. Okay. I feel like Kim K right now. Like, we have another dress. Okay, so I have some boobs protection, so that is good. And I have like these details here. I really think that I might like this one. So on the dress we have quite a difficulty. I'm gonna show you. So basically my boobs stop here, and this thing stop here. So I don't know if I'm too high for the dress, but I'm still gonna show you. So yeah, a little bit of deception for this one. So we are gonna move to the other dress and hope. I'm dedicated, handle with care, and I really like this gold. I don't know, but it has like some details that I really love. I am disappointed. So I have like I had so many hopes for that dress. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I had it in my pictures, I had it for so many, and it's fit weird. It's like, nah. Like on the camera it does look gold, but like in real life it looked like nude. And yeah, so yeah, quite disappointed. So after I decided to buy a set for a blazer. So I have the blazer, and I have the pants, and I even have the crop top. I saw the guy, I was like, you know what, you never tried to like have these looks, so you know what, go ahead and jump. So this is, I have like, this is the undergarment, and so it's called dark tailor trousers. I took a size 12, and yeah, that was not a good idea. Well, I don't know. But it does not look like a good idea. And this is the blazer. I don't know what to think. Let me look. I like it. But where are you gonna go? You have no place to go with that. Like, you have no place. Why? Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, so this is the last look, and I am in love with this. Like, you guys have no idea how much I love it. Like, it is a little bit of oversized, but I like it. I like it. I feel like bossy body. Yeah, I'm quite in love with it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys really appreciated this try on haul from Pretty Little Thing. I had few stuff, but I have some interesting stuff. So some of these will go back, you're not gonna lie, and some of these I have to actually think if I'm gonna keep it or not. Like, I'm just talking about this suit. The dress I was like sure for sure I'm gonna keep, and now I'm like, oh, I cannot keep you. You're a liar. You're a fraud. So yeah guys, thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you did like this video, and also new video will be here each Sunday. If you have any video ideas that you wish to suggest me, comment below. Okay guys, thank you. Mwah.